Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Square for invoicing clients from LinkedIn Leads easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start, open your web browser. Navigate to the Square login page. You can find it by typing Square login into your search bar or directly entering the URL. Once the page loads, locate the login fields. Enter your email address associated with your Square account. Next, input your password in the designated field. If you forget your password, click the Forgot Password link for assistance. After entering your credentials, click the Sign In button. Upon successful login, you will be redirected to your Square dashboard. Now, navigate to the Invoices section in the menu. Select Create Invoice to begin a new invoice. Fill in the required client information, including their email address, which you may have gathered from LinkedIn Leads. Add the details of the services or products you are invoicing for. Ensure to include the appropriate pricing and any applicable taxes. Customize the invoice with any necessary notes or terms. Once all details are entered, review the invoice for accuracy. When everything looks good, click Send to deliver the invoice to your client. You can track the status of the invoice in the Invoices section. That's it. You have successfully logged in and created an invoice using Square from your LinkedIn Leads. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.